Okay, last Watchtower training video for you guys. All incident reports should be recorded in Watchtower. So once you get logged in under the Submit tab, go to the Single Incident section and select the location where the incident occurred. You want to select the type of incident. There's several types of incidents on here for you to choose from. If it doesn't fall under a major medical aid or rescue, and you're unsure as to whether or not filling out the form is necessary, just ask a supervisor. But to err on the safe side, Lighthouse's Director of Safety, Ivan Utes, recommends filling out an incident report for any incident greater than giving a kid a Band-Aid or insect sting relief. Always include as much information as possible on incident reports. There's a section that allows you to upload forms so you can write something down on a piece of paper and take a photo of it and upload it right onto Watchtower here. Um, there's also a first aid patient care form on here that's got way more information than you could possibly be able to find out. But it's all helpful stuff. So just put as much information as you're able to or as you feel like, but this is not all uh, necessary by any means. And some of it you just won't be able to. Uh, yeah, this is above our pay grade. But always include as much information as possible and make sure if the person receiving care or the person who needs care refuses to receive care, just make sure that you get on a piece of paper that you offered their help, they refused your help, and you need to get their signature on that. And we need to make sure we upload that onto the incident report. That's very important. As the head manager of your facility, you will be responsible for making sure every single incident report is as accurate as possible, includes as much information as possible, uh, and gets submitted in a timely fashion. Now, the fall category that could be helpful, but it's good to document in case it happens again. Enforcement. Um, if you're having issues with patrons who keep bringing alcohol into the facility, or they're fighting. Good good little section just for that, so we can keep that separate. Um, for a rescue incident, you want to make sure that you include as much information as possible, uh, as per usual. Lost and found. This might be helpful for you guys if you have some maybe bigger ticket items getting left behind, but it's not necessarily necessary. But that's it. Thanks for watching these videos. Now you know how to use Watchtower and when to use Watchtower. Let us know if you have any more questions.